Okay, so for this video we're going to simplify the rational expression x minus 3 divided by x squared plus x minus 12. So we know this is rational because we have a fraction with variables in the denominator. So the steps to simplifying rational expressions, you're going to take the top and the bottom and make sure to factor it as much as you can, and then you'll go through and start canceling out terms. But don't start canceling out terms until you've factored completely. Alright, so let's start with our top, x minus 3. So with two terms, always check for a GCF. There's not one, and then you would see if you have a difference of squares. This is definitely not a difference of squares. So x minus 3, you cannot factor. We're just going to leave it as is. I'm going to go ahead and throw parentheses around that, just to make it easier to read in just a moment. Alright, let's take our denominator, x squared plus x minus 12. This is a three-term polynomial, so start by checking for a GCF. There's not one. And then you're going to go ahead and see if you can factor. So using whatever factoring technique you're most comfortable with, let's factor this down. The one I like, I take a times c, 1 times negative 12, to give me negative 12. Two factors of negative 12 whose sum is our b term, positive 1. So 4, negative 3 fits that criteria. Multiplied together give me negative 12, added together give me positive 1. So I'm going to take those constants, bring them straight down, divide by a. Make sure to reduce your fractions, and whenever you do so, you're left with the whole number 4, which is 4 over 1, x minus 3 over 1, which is x minus 3. Now that you've factored, you can go through and we can cancel because we have a product in the bottom, so that allows us to cancel properly. X minus 3 over x minus 3, since those are the same, they will cancel. So our final answer here in the top, if everything cancels out, it's just going to be a positive 1. In the bottom, we're left with the x plus 4.